In this video, I'll show you how to play Netflix games on your phone. If you have a Netflix subscription, you can access a variety of games at no extra cost directly through the Netflix app. First, open the Netflix app and sign in to your account. Make sure you have an active Netflix membership, as Netflix games are only available to subscribers. Once you're on the home screen, scroll until you find the Games section. Here, you'll see a selection of games available through Netflix. Browse the collection and tap on the game you'd like to play. Next, select Get Game. You'll be redirected to your device's app store, where you can download and install the game. After the installation is complete, open the game and sign in with your Netflix account if prompted. Once you've signed in, you can start playing right away and enjoy the game as part of your Netflix subscription. That's all there is to it. You can explore the Games section anytime to discover and install more Netflix games. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.